Hi everybody, I'm Kirsten Meekin from Naio Nails. In this video we're going to do an autumn design because summer has gone. It's well and truly gone. Now it's time for autumn leaves. Is the base layer for this. So these are a set that we've filled and we're going to transform the nails and make them look autumnal. So we're going from summer to autumn. And this is how you can change your client's nails. So what we're going to do is use Beauty Beneath, which is a gorgeous. Oh, it's gorgeous, it says.
Gorgeous.
Is it getting to that time of day where you lose the ability to speak the English language?
Yes. Gorgeous nude colour. That's what I wanted to say. My brain would not work. I'm going to do 2 coats of that. I'm going to make sure I cap the edge. So I've got Going for Gold, which is a metallic. It's got to go on a shiny surface. And we're going to put that here, first of all. And then I'm going to put this colour on. I will tell you what this colour is in a moment. I'm going to go right up to that cuticle without flooding it. And I'm going to touch those colours. And I'm going to take the gold and just blend them a little bit. You're not looking for a perfect ombre, so don't worry about that.
Just about to say, I've never seen your ombre, the metallics, ever.
No.
Nah, you've never done that.
Ta la 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 la. Right, what I'm going to do now is use the Urban Grafitti Topcoat. Pop a bit on a sculpting form or just the backing paper from a sculpting form. I'm just using this as a palette. Then I'm going to take the size 2 brush. It is long and thin. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, the first thing I want to get good on this is I want to create a bit of a border with framing the nail. You're going directly on top of the metallic. And wherever you touch with the top coat, that will stay. I'm going to cure that first. Then using the same brush, I'm going to come up the middle. It does not need to be straight, it's actually better if it's a little bit irregular. Can you see that? I'm going to do one here and here. You want them a little bit irregular. And then from those points, we're going to do even more coming off. And these are to resemble the little veins on a leaf. Once you're happy with that, you can pop that into the lamp. So I've cured that, but to make it even more embossed, what I'm going to do is just go over some parts. It'll make it more textured and raised up. You raise me up. Pop that in. Now for the magic. Gonna use pure acetone and wipe over. Look at that.
Do you know what? Even I'm gobsmacked at that.
Did you not know that was going to happen?
No, I didn't.
Look at that, is delish. How cool is that? And you can see that ombre, so you can see that you didn't need to make the ombre perfect, because I didn't make the ombre perfect. However, it looks like the ombre was perfect, and it's because the lines are so fine. Cool. I'm going to finish off with a little bit of cuticle oil. There. Some pink pineapple. Give that a rub in. You can top coat it if you feel like you need to, but however, I don't want to because I want it to be slightly textured. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. We have gone all autumnal, and I think that's quick, easy design. And I think you could do that on short nails as well. I don't think you necessarily need a big long nail. You could do it on short nails, and it's something quick. You could do it in the salon. Don't forget, everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up as well. I want a thumbs up. Come on, let's have you. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
That was nearly as quick as the seasons change for real.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful, isn't it?
He sent me that. What's it?